That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six. That was an absolute gift for the batsman and he cashed in. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. What good batting that is. Excellent shot making. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. And he helps himself to a 6. Oh, that's marvelous. Looks even better in the replay. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6. That was pretty ordinary delivery. Got what it deserved. Pacer introduced from the other end.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Outstanding shot. It's a bigger boundary there. Another field change. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Great shot. He has dispatched that and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
That is a very good shot. Excellent placement and timing. Can he do it again?
That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. He has picked up the length on that so early.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Oh, he smashed that to the boundary. 4 runs. Things are really heating up and he's getting at the bowler, letting him know exactly where he's going to put the next one.
He is an improved player now. You make a mistake and you pay the price.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
That is straight out of the middle of the bat.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
They are batting well together and that is a great partnership for the batting side. That was an absolute gift for the batsman and he cashed in. Another field change.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
That is a nice shot. Timed it beautifully for 4. What good batting that is. Excellent shot making.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Straight up in the air, and that's a 6.
Oh, that's marvelous. Looks even better in the replay.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That is 6. That is just magnificent batting. That was pretty ordinary delivery. Got what it deserved. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
Splendid shot, and it flies to the boundary for 4.
Outstanding shot. It's a bigger boundary there.